Welcome back to our ongoing exploration of the Black Knight satellite mystery, where we delve into the history, evidence, and theories surrounding one of the most captivating enigmas of the space age. In this sixth segment, our focus turns to the attempts made to debunk or challenge the existence and origin of the Black Knight satellite. How did skeptics and experts scrutinize the sources and evidence supporting this mysterious object? In what ways did they explain signals, echoes, sightings, and photographs as either natural phenomena, human-made objects, or hoaxes? What criticisms were raised regarding the logic, consistency, and plausibility of claims and theories about the Black Knight satellite? Additionally, how did they highlight flaws, errors, and biases in the work of researchers and authors supporting the Black Knight satellite? Let's explore. One of the earliest and prominent debunking endeavors was undertaken by Donald Keyhoe, a former Marine Corps officer renowned for his writings on UFOs and extraterrestrial life. Keyhoe initially reported on the Black Knight satellite in 1954, based on information from a Pentagon acquaintance. However, he later retracted his account, asserting it was a hoax orchestrated by his friend, who had received misleading information to test his loyalty. Keyhoe admitted embellishing certain details to enhance the story's sensationalism, casting doubt on the credibility of the original report and the existence of the Black Knight satellite. James Oberg, a former NASA engineer and space journalist with expertise in Soviet and Russian space programs, conducted another influential debunking effort. In his 1980 article titled The Myth of the Black Knight Satellite, Oberg argued that much of the evidence surrounding the Black Knight satellite rested on misinterpretations, misidentifications, or fabrications. He contended that signals and echoes attributed to the satellite in 1899 and 1928 were, in fact, natural radio emissions from stars or planets. Oberg also asserted that sightings and photographs in 1954, 1960, and 1998 were likely human-made objects, such as rocket stages, satellites, or space debris. He highlighted instances of tampering with photographs or presenting them out of context to intensify their mystery, contributing to the widespread acceptance of Oberg's article as a definitive refutation. Brian Dunning, a science writer and podcaster hosting Skeptoid, presented another comprehensive debunking attempt in 2013. Dunning dedicated an episode to analyzing and critiquing the sources and evidence surrounding the Black Knight satellite. He argued that many sources were unreliable or unverifiable, coming from anonymous or pseudonymous authors, obscure or dubious publications, or second-hand accounts. Dunning contended that much of the evidence was inconclusive or irrelevant, encompassing vague or ambiguous signals, echoes, sightings, or photographs with multiple potential explanations. He also challenged the logic, consistency, and plausibility of claims and theories about the Black Knight satellite, such as its origin, purpose, age, composition, shape, size, orbit, or behavior. Ultimately, Dunning concluded that there was no compelling reason to believe in anything unusual or extraordinary about the Black Knight satellite. These are some of the notable debunking attempts that have sought to disprove or challenge the existence and origin of the Black Knight satellite. Despite these efforts, not all were swayed by the arguments and explanations presented. Many believers and supporters continued to defend their position and put forth new or alternative evidence and theories. In our next and final installment of this series, we will delve into some of these counter-arguments and counter-theories that strive to uphold or revive the mystery of the Black Knight satellite. Stay tuned.